Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I'm outside of Petersburg, Indiana. I'm not sure what town I'm actually in, but I'm at another cemetery, and it's one of those unusual ones. It's Stuckey Cemetery. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Now, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, this is one of those unusual cemeteries again. If you look around, there's really not much around. Over there's a farm area. Over there's the highway. Over here is a cemetery. Now, I've noticed a lot in this area what I call the stairs to nowhere. And right here is another set of stairs to nowhere. I'm assuming there had to be a church here at some point, the way it looks. If you look, there's like maybe a foundation that goes around. And you got a real small cemetery in the back. And on the back side of these steps to nowhere, there's another set of steps to nowhere. But at the bottom of these steps is a headstone. Now, I had somebody tell me the deal with these cemeteries is like a coal mine company will come in, they'll buy up houses in towns, and they'll leave the cemeteries, which makes sense. So, like I said, I'm assuming there's a church here at one time. Died 1877. And some of these headstones are newer ones, so I don't know if they were replaced at one point. Well, they almost have to be replaced. 1891, I'm assuming. And on the other side here. Now, some of these headstones had to have been replaced because they're newer. 1910, 1939. 1948. Over there, you can see what might have been a foundation for something. 1875, 1944. $1851? I'm not real sure. Elizabeth Stuckey, 1798, 1859. $1888. Now, at one point, maybe this was a family cemetery and the steps went to like a house, because I noticed with strip mines, you look around, there'll be hills, just random hills. If somebody dug stuff up, threw the unwanted dirt to the side and just kept going. So it quite possibly could have been a family farm that was bought by the coal mines, then just leveled out, stripped of all the material they wanted, and just left piles of rubble behind. I mean, that's what it kind of looks like to me. I'm not sure. This area, I enjoy going out and do these kind of videos and trying to figure out what's going on and people's feedback, because history is just being erased. At one point, there's nothing left but a cemetery, and all the history of the people, the towns are gone. I mean, steps to, and maybe some steps to houses, the steps to nowhere. Because there are definitely two sets of steps there. There's definitely a foundation there. So I don't know if it was a church or a house or what. If you know anything about this place, I mean, feel free to leave comments down below. message me. I really like to know more. I'm really interested in the history of Pike County and the surrounding area. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button somewhere up here, and as always, thank you for watching.